What does it mean to make an impact on the world around you? As we journey from the stars to the soil, this question becomes our guide. Every living thing, from the tiniest organism to the largest galaxy, is connected in ways we often overlook. These students are on a field trip to discover the delicate balance of life. Through their hands-on experience, they'll learn that small actions can shape the future of our environment. Each step they take brings them closer to understanding their role in this intricate web of life, reminding us all that making an impact starts with curiosity, awareness, and care for the world we share. Welcome to summer school.
The summer school is, for me, one place to get together with people from other countries and exchange ideas, but also to work together from different topics. In this specific case, we have chemists, but also biologists, ecologists, and we as sociologists. Sometimes we have different approaches to science and how we do research the environment. And I think this is a unique experience to have so many interesting researchers and also interested students coming together in this one place, having fun together and just enjoy the time here. My name is Markus Rudolfi and I'm a sociologist at the Goethe University of Frankfurt.
It's a wonderful experience, I think, for young people to be mixed with different countries and different cultures and different disciplines, I think. So during 10 days, they are all together. They don't know initially, and so they can discover. And I think it's a way to open their mind and to increase their knowledge, scientific knowledge, but not only scientific knowledge, human knowledge as well. My name is Virginie Baldi. I'm a lecturer at Marseille University and a researcher at the Mediterranean Institute of Biodiversity and Ecology. So I'm an ecologist.
Absolutely, I would definitely say that I'm happy to be here because of the variety of different experiences I could make here. Those excursions we did, and I think that was really very interesting. Another thing that surprised me was, I think, the telescope we visited. And there we got an introduction about, or a person had to speak about this telescope, and it was really interesting because he said that it's really old, I think from 1800s, it was really old. And I was surprised that it's still working and that we even had the possibility to use it. We got the coordinates and then we went into the room back again with the telescope and looked into the sky with the telescope, and I think it was, really surprised me. My name is Karl Homuth. I'm from Goethe University in Frankfurt and I'm studying sociology in the master class.
I really like the summer school because it's so diverse and it's interdisciplinary, and I'm able to run the summer school with friends. It means it's a network of people which I really like, and it always helps to be motivated. So I really like the summer school because there's a scientific side, let's say there's the educational side, but there's also this social relationship side. And this helped a lot for many things that we were able to discuss and put forward. In the future, we were also to help younger scientists or younger, let's say, people coming into this field to get, let's say, a job finally. And I think this is a very good part of the summer school. The amount of information that you can take home is easy digestible from my point of view, and it's a lot, and I like that. I'm Ilja Reiter. I'm German actually, but I live in France since 20 years, and here I'm a research engineer for the Centre National de la Recherche Scientifique.
It's not just about classrooms and textbooks, it's about unlocking your creativity, building new skills, and diving into subjects that spark your curiosity. Whether you're passionate about science, art, technology, or something completely new, there's a place for you here. Explore new ideas, try exciting projects, and discover talents you didn't know you had. That's what summer school is all about.